Welcome back to the channel. Now we got another video. This time we're just gonna do a simple oil change because my God, after what is probably around 7,000 miles, the motherfucker needs it. I picked up the oil that helped make Dodge. Pennzoil, you gotta have it. I usually go cheap, but why not use the shit they say to use? It's probably not, because I don't remember if, I don't know, it doesn't say full synthetic and shit, but I don't remember which is which for the cars. But we gotta drain this shit first, so.
Yep.
We'll top on that. You can't tell?
Hell yeah. Got that action shot.
Anyone in low boy fucking jets. So they just barely make it. Shit, did I kick the camera?
Yeah, a little bit. It's all good.
A little bit. I'm sorry, guys. Got a terrible spot to jack this up. There we go. What?
Nothing.
Oh, it's good. I don't know if I want to use sockets or if I'm just going to use these. Looking for a 15, because that's probably not what it is. Got it, and you're probably going to have to hand me different sizes. If it's not, you know, tiny ass. This isn't really a can, but I'm gonna use it. This is literally just a tray out of the fucking fridge. But it's clear, that's all I'm going for, that's what I want.
Gotta see that oil.
Mainly, that's what I'm going for. There's another tub. Please have over here. Yours. Lights just hanging out under here. Really gonna work. Amy, probably
17.
there you go.
17.
Oh, because I'm tightening it like an idiot. Going the wrong way.
You pushing or pulling?
I know, I need to go this way. There we go.
There she went.
She did not need to be that fucking tight. Here, let me get that light there for you. Is that better?
Yeah, you're right. Ooh, right there. Looks good.
Watch me miss this. Just kidding, I won't. Perfect.
Ooh.
Shit. Oh, I fucked it up. I just put my hand in that. And all the
To
fingertips.
save the drain plug.
All fingertips are all up in that fucking shit too. She's black.
Let's see them fingertips. Oh yeah.
They're fucked. Just to save that. And hey, the good thing is, there's no metal on it.
Unlike mine.
That's what matters.
Honestly, I'm fucking waiting to see a bunch of metal shavings and shit just ruin my fucking day.
No, I think they'll just stay here. They won't even come out.
Yeah, they don't want to ruin my day.
I could be like Samet on Redneck's channel. I could lick this shit. But, you know, the difference is like 500k subs. Now, shit's drained. Then we'll take a look at mine
Yep.
and see how fucking black it is.
No
And
more drippage.
And then I'll hop on my phone and do the math of how fucking long it's been.
Heck yeah, you brought a couple more drips out.
We'll just hold the car up, shake her loose, so all that shit'll fall out of yours.
Fuck it. Just fucking spray fill it up with some water. Run it for about 10-15 minutes.
That's how we clean the engines here.
Exactly, man. We don't want that diluted new oil. That's for fucking amateurs.
Is there like a fucking actual thing I can use instead of these fucking things? There is. I don't know why I use these. I don't know why I ever even got me on them. These things are junk. They're the stupidest things ever. These are where you need to go.
I ain't even seen one of them, dude.
Yes!
Fucking crazy.
Because those dumbass things, I'll get the camera there and show you how stupid it is if you're gonna be able to use one of these fucking things. That or Clayton will crawl under this one. The oil filter. Hold on. Okay. Here's the oil pan. And then here's the fucking filter. How am I gonna fit this motherfucker in there at all? I've done it before, doing it like, I don't know, against these lines, against these AC or whatever the fuck lines these are. Oh no, oil cooler lines. But it's just ignorant and in the way, and I'm not doing it anymore. I've seen what other people use. I'm not going back. And then if you tighten them with these, just choke it here and do it so you don't fucking over torque it. Pro tip. Stop die. And I'll tell you how much easier these are. Look, I'm in here, I'm on it. Boom! She's coming off already. So much fucking easier. See? Now watch all this oil just drip down this fucking jack. Makes me want to make something out of it. Oh yeah, it's just gonna go on the fucking floor. Oh, tighten it back up. Give me a second. Stay there. Oh, is that my phone? Fucker.
That's a big oopsie.
Here's the plan. Oh, okay, the plan didn't even fucking work.
Oh no!
Oh, I just got oil everywhere. Watch the camera. I don't want the oil in the camera. That's all that matters. The floor can be kitty littered. The phone can't. Or camera. Let's see the phone. Okay, I had my last oil change at 143,901 miles. I would use a pen, but I just used it to fucking check that oil. This is what I was talking about. I didn't fucking really have a pen. I'll choke it up right here to use it. Oh, and it's probably not gonna work. Okay, it is 147. No, 143,901 minus 1. So I fucking neglected the amount of miles between this oil change. You know, normally people do like 5, maybe even 10. I've done 13,560. I told you I'd been doing this shit. Like, I feel like I hadn't changed the oil before I did Ubering back when he used to live in Lathrop, which was coming on a year probably, maybe.
Yeah, a couple more months.
But still, it's, and when I was doing Ubering, I was driving everywhere, and I was in Kansas City, and then I had to drive an hour back to him where he'd stay, because I'd just stay up there with him and do it. Excuses, and not having money, and different priorities.
Nah, we got fucking daily drivers.
But now, I know I needed it, obviously. So let's get that fucking oil back in, or drop this oil all over the jack, you know. It's Normal.
Normal.
The Dodge 3.5 liter takes about 5.5. Get Pennzoil. Just because they did commercials together, so that means it's official. It's still really cold in this bitch, and we still have to do Clayton's oil.
Sting. That's my breath.
Pro tip, hold it sideways, choke it back a little bit so it just pours. Look at that.
There she is, one Magnum done. Let's just hope I don't do any worse. This ain't even...
He's off the road. Yeah. Off the road, just gonna play it like nothing.